that we can use to interact with our multisig contract once we have our multisig contract up and running, which is our next session. So for this first session, I think I might have to retitle our sessions actually in our curriculum. Because I think this first session that I had planned, which was selecting among sample token contracts, is actually not going to take that much time. We'd actually go ahead and combine that with downloading and configuring and deploying a token contract, and we might take up about an hour. So to select the token contract, really all I did, what did I Google here? I Googled sample token delivered to address Truffle, because we want our tokens in our address, or at least we want to be able to mint them and send them to an address. And I found this Medium article. And we're going to follow this Medium article to create our token contract, interact with it, and deliver tokens to my Rinkeby testnet address. So where am I? I created a directory. We're going to go ahead and run truffle init. It's actually called truff in our system. Maybe we have to download the source files. I'm not sure. No, I'm not sure exactly how we create this, define this this contract I was talking about.
What?
Yeah, it's just a sample token contract that we can use. Well, all right, let's look at this. Let's look for sample token contract truffle. We just want an example that we can use. Ethereum token contracts. Contracts. Nope. Is one of these what I'm looking for? Yes, this is a token contract. Okay, so we'll clone this GitHub repository, which again is just a way to track files and stuff to our C drive. And we'll go into that folder. Whoops, that's not what we wanted. Whoops, whoops, whoops. So let's take a look at what we just downloaded and what that all does. Really what we need is a mint function within our contract that we're going to deploy using Truffle. And we're going to go ahead and open this folder that we just downloaded off GitHub. Whoa, what am I doing? What am I doing? I do not like this mouse. I need a new mouse. I need so many things. What did I just do? Tokens. Whoops. Tokens. There we go. So inside of our tokens folder, we have contracts, and we're looking at EIP20 in the SOL for EIP20, which I guess is ERC20. Either way, we have balances, allowed addresses. The initial amount of tokens is our constructor, our token name, our decimal units, which is going to be 18, our token symbol, which we're just going to create we're probably going to create a bird token on the Rinkeby testnet actually. Maybe a Jared token, maybe a Haley token, who knows. That's the variables that it takes to create this function, which is the constructor, which is what we send information to in our truffle migrate command. So our original balance for the sender is going to be the initial amount. Total supply is going to be the initial amount. The name is going to be the token name. The decimal is going to be the decimal units. And the symbol is going to be the token symbol. What we're really looking for is a mint function. No, because it's actually going to have we don't need a mint function because we don't need a mintable token. What we need is the initial amount to be some kind of value that's going to give us some tokens. So it's only going to be a fixed supply of whatever initial amount we give it. We can transfer tokens from addresses to addresses. We can transfer from an address to another address. We can check the balance of an address. We can approve a transfer if it's coming from a different address, and we can look at the allowance of addresses. using the token contract that we just downloaded. So we're actually installing dependencies for this token contract as we speak. It's just taking a couple seconds. And do you have any questions as this happens?
Me?
Yeah.
A mint token, you said? Or
Yeah,
mint
we don't need a mintable token. So mintable token means that we can issue more tokens as time goes on. So like if it was a crowd sale, or if we were trying to raise money for an Ether project, we could mint additional tokens as we go on to give people new tokens, raising the total supply. But our token contract that we're going to use, that we downloaded, comes with an initial supply, which is going to be the total supply of tokens. So for instance, we're just going to create a contract that has like 1,000 tokens, and that's going to be the total supply. I don't know how many we'll have, probably, but we'll have a couple. So mint really means if you were to mint, like, you know how you mint gold, you make new gold?
Yeah.
So it's basically minting tokens is creating new tokens out of nowhere. And really, what we're minting in our contract here, our token, is the initial supply. That's what's going to be minted, and that's what's going to be constant. We're going to mint our tokens, man. I wonder what the migrations and stuff are for this token contract that we downloaded. Deploy tokens. Oh, it actually gives it the total supply, the name of the token. We don't want the SBX token. Simon bucks. We'll do Haley bucks because of our nice little helper here. What is this one? I don't know what the one is. If we go back here, we'll find out. Decimals. We actually want 18 decimals in our token. No, we don't. One decimal makes sense because we're giving 10,000 tokens with one decimal. I think that'll be 1,000 tokens, 1,000.0 tokens when we give this total supply, this initial supply out, and we'll call these HBX for Haley tokens. So as soon as we get this these dependencies installed, we'll be able to go ahead and I don't know what queue overflow means. We have an error. We'll be able to go ahead and deploy this token, which is our Haley token. And then what we'll be able to do later is use this token to verify that the multisig address that we're going to create is able to deposit and withdraw tokens. So what I mean by that is when you create a multisig contract using Mist or the Ether wallet that's available from the Ethereum project, their multisig contract that comes shipped with that particular product does not support tokens, meaning you can withdraw and deposit tokens on that multisig address without the agreement of all the parties involved. But really, we want a multisig address that allows us to deposit and withdraw tokens the same way that we deposit and withdraw Ether, which means we need the agreement of all parties, or 2 out of the 3 of the parties in our case. So it's just additional functionality that the standard multisig contracts don't have. I actually have a multisig contract that we're going to use that I'm aware of. It has an interface that's available, like a decentralized application, but we're just going to use the contract inside Truffle. We're going to deploy it, and we're going to migrate it and deploy it and configure it to start. But the reason we're making this token contract is because we're using the testnet, so I don't really have a way to get testnet tokens other than just to create one out of thin air. So we're going to make 1,000 of these Haley tokens. We're going to put them on my Rinkeby address, and all will be well. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, sounds good. Sounds good, man. Sounds good, man. So everybody should give me a follow. We already have 120 viewers on this live stream from 0.
Wow.
Not live right now. We have 120 total. We have 22 live right now. That's pretty fantastic. I don't know why it doesn't say that people are joining when they join, though. I don't know if it only says that for people that have accounts that are logged in or why. But we'll find out, man. We'll find out, man. What's this doing, anyway? Hello? There we go. What's this doing anyway, man? So once we have the dependencies installed, we'll be able to run this migration, including the variables we passed the constructor. And Peter is talking to me, man. Oh, and I can't eat on stream, so we'll end up taking a longer break for the next little break that we have. Just because I need to eat dinner. I need to eat dinner, man. I need that sustenance, man.
How long do you think that's gonna be?
I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. What's up?
I'm gonna make coffee.
Oh my, you have coffee at your apartment? That's pretty lucky.
I need to get a coffee machine.
Yeah, are you using, are you making it by hand, like, or instant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The coffee. It's not that good.
It's still tasty though. If everybody likes coffee, man, they should drop us a message, man, and say we like coffee, man.
I love coffee.
No, I drink 2 or 3 pots a day. Actually, I have like 3 coffee cups, 5 coffee cups on my table here, including cold coffee from earlier.
Yeah, I have a cold Tim Hortons coffee that I don't want to eat up.
Yeah, no, I have 2 empty Tim Hortons cups right here. It's hilarious. At paintball yesterday, they had well, they had sausages for us, which is great, and they had a coffee a coffee box from Tim Hortons.
That's long.
Yep. He said coffee was sales juice. The dude that owns the place.
Tim Hortons is like 2 minutes down the road. So
Yeah, you mentioned. Yeah. Well, that's good, man. I don't know why this keeps on freezing, but that's not fair.
Is your camera still open?
No, I mean I don't know why the execution of this Truffle npm the npm install doesn't work. My cam is still working, yeah. Yeah, I'll get you an account to view the live stream as it's happening for the next live stream. It's still loading, man. It's installing a bunch of things, man. I need more resources, man. I gotta get a better computer here shortly because this is ridiculous. But it takes up time, man, which is good, man. Oh, I broke something. What did I break? So npm install, we have an error. I'm not sure why. Npm install, man. Npm install unlink this. Npm install, man. Npm install, man. No bin links. No bin links. Let's see if that works, man. Now everything that we just installed is already going to be there up until the error, so hopefully this figures out what where it left off. And we can install with no bin links, man. That's apparently how to solve this issue. It's an issue with Windows. Again, we have a lot of issues with Windows and trying to get this Linux stuff to work. We might do further live streams inside of Linux. It's just that I managed to sync the blockchain using Windows faster. It actually took down my Wi-Fi trying to sync 2 blockchains at once. I don't know why. 29 viewers, man. Everybody should give me subscribe, man. I really don't know if that's accurate because it seems to me like a lot of people to be in here. But I'm happy you are, man.
What is these 20? Like, you said it said 100 earlier. Is that how many total?
That's the total, yeah. But this for this live stream, the third one since it started, 121. And 29.
That include all of them or just the one?
No, just this third one. Like the second one that we just did was up to 300 and some. Wait, how many have we done? Yeah, and then the one that we recorded offline already has over 1,600 views. But it's going to have more after we upload those 2 videos. It's just that my project manager is trying to produce the video. Who just joined the room? Hello, Peter. or whoever is at LiveEDU watching us. We're trying to install some prerequisites. I got past the error that it had before, which is great. It's doing some Python stuff in here with no git rebuild or JIP. I don't know. JIP is probably offensive. But we're doing some Python stuff, man. We're doing some C++ stuff, man. Or C stuff, I don't know. It's doing some stuff, man. It's doing some stuff, man. We're installing the dependencies for the token, man. And then we'll deploy the token, which will take far less time, man. Learning about blockchain with Jerry and Haley, who's got a sore neck, I guess. Generating code. Oh my god. Finish generating code. Oh my god. I was doing the next one. SHA-3, man. SHA-3, man. SHA-3, man. I wonder if people say SHA. Drop me a note in chat if you say SHA instead of SHA. We gotta build some more Git things, man, or JIP, I don't know. I wish I knew how to say this stuff. That's the thing, when I started working in like actual IT projects, like in real life with people, I said everything wrong. Like GIF is actually GIF. And I don't know, different stuff. At one point some guy said first in, first out. I had no idea what he was talking about. He's like, what do they actually teach you in college? I was like, I don't know, man. Oh my god, look at all these issues that we're having. Warning code. Warning code, man. Generating code, man. I don't know why we need all this code, man. There we go, it's doing stuff. Ah, it did stuff. Okay. So now what we want to run is in here somewhere. npm run compile. That should run our migrations and deployments. Let's find out. Nope, I broke something. Oh, it's because we ran Truffle for some reason. Why are we running Truffle? I wonder what npm run compile does. Or what it tries to run, because we've got to change that Truffle to Truff. Is it inside package JSON? Compile. Yep, Truffle compile. We need Truff. 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 Truff, 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 man. Truff, 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 man. Alright, let's try that. Truff compile, man. Truff compile, man. Alright, what else is broken here?
I have a question.
What's up?
If you were to, can you make a site with?
What's up?
With Truffle and Node, right?
Yeah, we can build the website using Express in Node, or we could, I guess, use whatever was involved with like a web server inside of Truffle, which we used earlier in the last one. Hold on, I broke something. Yeah, but basically, we're not gonna. We will build actually something here. Coverage? No. Robston Live. Which network is it using? Doesn't say. Okay. What we want is our other Truffle.js stuff. Truffle.js. All this stuff. I think that should work. Try that again. Yeah, we can create websites in Node. Hello, Azim Yusuf. How are you? I broke something again. What did I break? I broke something from. I need to call my here. We actually don't need this network ID because we have a different network ID identifier. Yeah, we can build different web servers for different things. The web server that we're going to build for this contract is going to be using the Truffle Suite web server and delivering a decentralized application. What did I break here? Robson, man. Robson, man. I keep on breaking stuff, man. I keep on breaking stuff, man. Oh my god. Error, no network stat specified. Cannot determine current network. Why, I told it what network ID to use. I wonder if we could actually just do something else different here. I wonder if we could go into this Truffle.js, steal all of this, throw him in here, because I don't know what to do for all this stuff. If we just take all this stuff out, try that. Try that, man. Ah, it's deploying migrations. All right, so we're deploying our token, which is the Haley Bucks token. Congratulations, Haley, you have your own token. I created a bird token on the LiveNet too a while ago with like 138 million tokens, but I have no access to it because I have no idea how to use it. Anyway, I think this is going to give us 1,000 tokens right on the contract, the address that deploys it. I don't know though. We'll find out. And actually, we should use etherscan.io, the Rinkeby Ether scan to figure that out. Rinkeby.etherscan.io. Rinkeby, man. Rinkeby, man. How's your phone?
Good. I just got an email about school.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Thanks.
That just gave me a login.
Are you excited for that?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
I did a lot of transactions 51 minutes ago. That's good. We're doing migrations, man. Is it actually doing stuff, or what is it doing here? Is it actually doing stuff, man? It says it's doing stuff. It says it's doing stuff, man. What did we figure out was the issue last time it was doing this and got stuck?
Nothing.
I think I just have to restart my GEF, to tell you the truth.
I thought it closed down last. Something closed in the background.
Well, let's just try restarting everything and see what happens. Because it's not actually, it didn't, it should give us a transaction ID immediately when it goes to deploy migrations. Yeah, like that, it just did just now, so it's good. So we restarted it and it's working. Just like anything else in IT, if it's not working, try turning it off and back on again. Off and back on again. Off and back on again. It's not going to take that long to deploy our migration, man. It's going to do, I think, 3 different migrations and 3 different deployments over 3 different transaction IDs. There we go. We're doing something else here. We're saving a successful migration to the network. So I think it's going to do 6 different migrations and savings or whatever. This is how Truffle works, and this is what it does. And this is how Truffle works, man. I have so many notifications from everything going on. It's deploying something. Oh my gosh, for Rooney. It's deploying our token. Like I have 5 Facebook notifications that I haven't looked at since we started the offline recording. I have a phone that's just being used as a camera right now because the camera on this computer is not good. Not good, man. Not good, man. Oh my gosh, it's doing stuff. Oh my gosh, we're learnings. We're nearly done this session, man. Although I wanted to last longer on this session. I wonder how long we are right now. 25 minutes. Let's take a look at a curriculum and see if that's okay. Yeah, that should be okay. Where am I? Where am I going? Okay, something broke here. The contract couldn't be stored. Please check your gas amount. Let's try more gas, man. So what just happened is I didn't pay enough fees to the network in order to save that contract and it broke. Nope, now I have too much gas in here. Oh, let's do the first one again. Jeez. Jeez almighty, man. That's good because we need more time. So do you have any questions about what we're doing? We're just deploying the token contract. We're going to get some Haleybox tokens on our address, and then we'll be able to use them later for our multi-sig address, which is really the point of this project, is to get the multi-sig address up and running. But to give that additional value, we're going to use a specific multi-sig contract that works with tokens as well as Ether, which we'll see when we go ahead and try to use it. But do you have any questions, Taylor?
No,
It's all kosher. It's all kosher, man. So we'll see if that new gas limit fixed that issue that we just had with that factory. It's solidity file, that contract. That contract, man. In a second, man. You can see these are deploying faster now that I use more gas, and that's because it likes to act faster when there's more fees involved. So who knows how much testnet ether I just used to create these contracts rather, but it's all in good fun. So I think it's working this time because it didn't error out. It didn't error out, man. It didn't error out, man. We'll find out, man. We'll find out, man. When it deploys, man. No, we have an issue. Please check your gas amount. I wonder what that means. Let's find out what that means. Let's go Google that right now. Google this, man. Google this, man. The contract code couldn't be stored. The contract code couldn't be stored, man. Okay. Let's try these values for gas and gas price, man. See if that works, man. Did that work for Buddy? Your message has been a world pain in my side. I don't really want to write a test. I just want it to work. I really just want to know how much gas to use, guys. Yes, gas 200 million or whatever is the solution. So I think setting gas and gas price should fix what we just witnessed. We'll find out. I'm working, Mom. I said not to shout, please. Okay. Anyway, it's the point, man. No. Please check the gas. I wonder why it's broken, man. Let's try even more gas than that. Let's try 9. Hopefully this guy's not leading me astray, man. I shouldn't use the reset, actually, because it's already got successful migrations. If I just use the regular migrate, it should use the ones that have been successful and just stop where it left off. That's really smart, man. I'm glad I thought of that, man. We have 48 viewers. Truffle migrate, man. No, it exceeds the gas limit, so let's try 4. Well, at least to skip to the third one, though. We don't have to redo the first 2. We don't have to redo the first 2, man. Here we go. We're deploying again. So it's just binary sort now. If this doesn't work, I'll try 6. If that doesn't work, I'll try 7. But we'll find out here, man. I don't even know if we need this contract, to tell you the truth. See if we have all these tokens that we created. Nope. No, we don't, man. Well, not much gas, man. We need I wish this would work, man, so we can continue, man. But it's a good thing it takes up time, man, because that's what we need, man. So yeah, basically I just wasn't paying enough fees into the network.
Okay.
So we pay more fees, we hopefully get it sorted. I wonder what this transaction's doing. No, this guy's just being dumb. This guy that put 32. That's 32 wave. It's not what we want. We want, like, I gotta just control Z out of here. That guy's just putting bullshit there for no reason, man. That would have never mined. It would have sat here for 50 blocks and then gave us an error. Which is really unfortunate, man. It's a good thing I looked it up, man. Alright, let's try this transaction. I knew that was gonna happen too. So 10 gwei is not that much. Let's try some more gas than that. Let's try 100 gwei. 10 gwei is not that much, man. $100 gwei. Oh my gosh. It should confirm in a second, man. If that was enough gas, man. It's okay. Thank you. Okay. So now what do we? How do we get these tokens that are inside these contracts? That's my question. What's this factory contract? Factory. Apparently it's creating a token, but I thought we already did create a token. I don't know what we're creating, man, but we'll find out, man. I guess it's sending the tokens. We might not have Haley bucks at the end of this. We might have some verified tokens. I'm not sure. We'll find out, man. If this ever works, man. It might run out of gas again. We'll have to redeploy, and we'll find out in a sec. How's your water?
Good.
My food is ready, man. I'm so excited, man. Is this still running, man? No, I don't know, man. Tell me when I refresh the my Ether wallet or the Etherscan, man. Still says pending, man.
I got my schedule for school now.
So when are you done every day?
It's different times. Like, on Tuesday.
Is it normally by 3 though?
I have classes. The latest that I'm done is 4:30.
4:30 is kind of late. Can you get home by 5 every day? How are you getting there and back?
My dad's supposed to help me, but I'm not entirely sure.
Oh yeah.
I might have tomorrow, so.
Well, you'll find people there that can carpool, right?
Yeah, I have to make friends first.
Yeah, that's easy enough.
Yeah.
That's easy enough, man. I wonder why this is not running, man.
I might even know people that are going there, but like I don't know are enrolled yet.
Yeah. You'll find out, man. You'll interface with them, man. We gotta migrate this, man. We gotta migrate this, man. I heard Wade's is supposed it would go a lot faster. I wonder if it's broken code, man. I wonder if it's broken code, man. Can we use more Wade than that? Can we use more Wade than that, man? I don't know, man. Nope, apparently not. Insufficient funds. Insufficient funds, man. I don't know how many decimals I just took out of there. We'll find out. That's another 100 by 1. Let's just take gas price out of here and leave in the gas. Oops. See if it sets gas price on its own. No, something broke. Comma. Well, this can't take longer than an hour, so hopefully we get this so we can contract up in the next 20 minutes. And then we actually have to switch live streams at 9. But the next one will be far easier. Far easier, man. This is also using 100 by. Well, I guess what we'll do is we'll break. I'll have dinner. We'll come back. We'll see if this actually deployed. We'll just let it run, and then we'll continue with the next session. So again, we have 52 viewers, by the way. But the deliverable here was to deploy a token. We haven't successfully done that yet. We just got to wait for this factory to create and then deploy and give us the tokens. However, we'll wait and see if this happens while I take a 5 or 10 minute break, and we will be back. All right, thank you, Henny. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Just say you're welcome.